Hello, beautiful ones. How are you all doing today? If you're new to my channel, I'm Joseph. It's really lovely to have you all with us today. And if you're a returning subscriber, it's gorgeous to have you here, beautiful ones. Now then, guys, in today's tutorial, I'm teaching us all how to make something which I'm going to call Glowy Serum, something like that. Again, if anyone can think of a better name, pop it in the comments and we'll christen it that. But it's a serum which Michelle out there, hi Michelle, how are you doing, lovely? Michelle asked for months ago, basically at the start of my channel, and Joseph's been very remiss. And no, I haven't really been remiss. It's just been, there's so much going on. Do you know what I mean? I mean, beautiful ones. There's so much to film and to share with you gorgeous ones at home that it was all, I didn't put it on the back burner per se. I just I always had the intentions to do it, and today's the day I've done it. So Michelle, today's the day for you, lovey, and today is your glowy serum day. So I hope you like it after all of that. If you don't, that's fine. And it is it's a combination of two or three different things really, because I wasn't too sure whether you wanted something with an immediate glow or a long-term glow. So in the end, I went for both. So this serum gives you an immediate glow and a long-term glow, and it's really hydrating too, guys. And it's loaded with shimmering mica and the other ingredient in it is vitamin B3 or niacinamide, which is a potent anti-aging ingredient, guys. So really simple to make. Waffling severely. Should we get on with it? Let's do that. As I said, guys, this formula, it's just awesome. It's just loaded with, can you see that? It's got like a shimmer to it. Can you see? If not, I took when I did the tutorial earlier, I took a video of I put it on the table and basically slowed it right down and with my my camera, and it just looked really, really lovely. So if you can't see that, I'll probably put that down there anyway. Again, rabbiting like a rabbit. So can you see it? And it is as I say, it's got so much mica, and it's got, in the end, I added 1.5 teaspoons. In the tutorial, I only had half, but and then I tried it on the back of my hand and it wasn't glowy enough, guys. So I added another teaspoon of mica or mica, and I got my bag of mica for £10 off eBay. Also, it's got hyaluronic acid in, the ultra popular ingredient at the moment, or de rigueur ingredient. No, we're not doing French today at all, guys. Today's going to be a French-free zone. And by the way, guys, I don't mean any offence to anyone. It's just my twisted sense of humor, and I'm certainly not mocking an entire race of people, because you know, if they all come after me, I'll be in big trouble. So yeah, no, should we crack on with the tutorial? Let's do that. How would I best describe glowy serum? Well, again, as I said a minute ago, it's skincare meets cosmetics, really, or makeup. And this will give you a gorgeous glow, guys. You know, and as I said, it's also got the niacinamide in, which will exact or give your skin an anti-aging action or property, or what's the word, result, or something like that. Anyway, struggling today, guys. Again, I was awake at 4 a.m. this morning, so pretty tired today, guys, and filters slipping slowly but surely, guys. So, you know, by the end of this this tutorial, I'll be gibbering. I'll be a gibbering wreck, guys. No, I won't. I'm kidding, guys. But right, so what I'll do first of all is, shall I put a little can you see that? I'm so sorry if you can't see it at home, guys, but honestly, in the bowl it looks like liquid silk. It just looks, or liquid satin, I should say. It just looks gorgeous. And this is sort of an ivory sort of coloured glowy serum, I guess you could call it. But what I'll do is I'll just get some on the old spoon, and no, I better put that over there. You all know how clumsy I am. That'll end up all over my lap. Do you see what I mean? I'm cursed, guys. I'm cursed. Right, so there's my, that's just got that out of the bowl, and I'll just, can you see that on my finger? It's really glowy, guys, and I'll just put a swatch of that one on my old choppies. And it will disappear into the skin, guys, but it just lives, yeah, you can see that there, can't you? Again, guys, if you don't want to look like a Belisha beacon or a piece of tin foil, just put less mica into the formulation. It's very hydrating as well. Joseph put far too much glycerin in, 3 teaspoons as opposed to just 1 or 1.5. But there was a lot of powders to turn into a paste. So yeah, I'm quite impressed with that. Oh, by the way, I've got nothing on my skin today, guys. This is Joseph au naturel, or natural Joseph. If there is such a thing, of course there is. Yeah, no, Michelle, I really, really hope you like this, lovely. You know, I mean, because we were communicating via YouTube in the comments, it's just really difficult for me to know exactly what you wanted, lovey. But and I'm very much working in the dark. But I really sincerely hope you like this, love. I just, you know, I think that's impressive. So what I'll do is I'll do my whole chops with this in a minute, and then I'll go out and I'll look like a Cyberman or the Tin Man from The Wizard of Oz. We've done that joke, Joseph. Think of something new. Can't. Sorry. Right, I'm just going to have a swig of tea, guys, and then we'll carry on. I'm just very dry mouthed today. Spitting feathers. Do you know, guys, I'm sweating like a good one today. It's just so close and so muggy. And my skin, if it hasn't got anything on it, as I've said, if it looks all dewy and glossy, it's because I'm sweating. Nothing to do with cosmetics or anything like that. It's just sweat. And you know, beautiful ones, I've been thinking of something which this could remind me of, you know, an existing or a beauty product which has been discontinued. Did anyone ever try Spotlight by Estee Lauder? It was a combination of skincare and highlight, or skincare and glow giving, and it had a combination of mica which had been wrapped in titanium dioxide to give you a holographic or a prism effect. Basically, that's what they claimed, was that the tiny little crystals within Spotlight would act as tiny little mirrors and reflect light, bounce light back to give you a perfected look. I thought it looked like a piece of salmon skin by the time I put it on, but you know, I don't think Estee Lauder intended anyone to look like fish, but you know, mackerel skin's not a good look, is it, guys? Nope. So should we put some? I need to get you in a little bit closer for this, guys. So ready for my close-up. So I'll get you in, guys. Let's do that. Right, guys. So this is the bowl with Glowy Serum in, and as I said, if anyone can think of a better name than Glowy Serum, then, you know, let me know in the comments. I'll just get a spoonful of that one, and without it dripping too much, get some on the old thumb. Now, can you see that? And you don't need very much of this at all, guys. It is really, really concentrated and glowy. As I say, get a little bit more out directly out the bowl. And it's totally oil-free, guys, totally preservative-free. Again, I didn't add any preservatives, so if you, you know, if you want to add some preservatives, then feel free. Potassium sorbate, add a tiny bit, a fraction of a teaspoon, because that can be quite sensitizing, and or phenoxyethanol or preservative of your choice, guys. Now, how does that look? Oh, bloody hell. You can see the reflection. No, that's quite, and because it's got so much glycerin in it to give you a hydrating sort of feel, that will absorb and will hopefully leave a like a sheen to your skin. Joseph looks like C3PO. What do you think, guys? I hope this is what you were after, Michelle. I really do. I mean, I'm probably going right down the wrong street, or barking right up the wrong tree, but yeah, no, I'm quite pleased with that. Again, I've slapped loads on my choppies, but moustache is curling up Joseph's nostril. I might just shave the whole thing off, you know, guys. No, I've always had a beard, so do you prefer a goatee beard or a full beard, guys, on men? You know, I sometimes have a full beard. You know, my mutton chops are filled in or grown in, if you like. But then I did the you know, the parallel line hack thing, which everyone on TikTok. So, by the way, guys, I don't do these in real life. I don't walk around with facefuls of makeup or anything. I'm not that sort of man. Do you know what I mean? I just don't. I'm not brave enough, basically, to go out with a face full of makeup, but not particularly inclined to either, but waffling severely. So what do you think? Shall I move you back out, or are you happy to stay here, guys? Close quarters, good. Close quarters, good. Let's stay where we are then, shall we? Just Joseph's sweating buckets. It's because it's so close today, guys. It is really, really hot. Stop flapping your arms. I might go and get my fan out of the bedroom in a minute and just put it on full blast. Oh, there you can see it's given. Do you see what I mean about the glow? And we've made this ourselves, guys. And this would rival Charlotte Tilbury's Hollywood Filter, or Flawless Filter, whatever it's called, for like £5,000 for a mil or what have you. Or the e.l.f. equivalent, the Liquid Halo Glow, which I did a review on. That was horrendous. That review, really, really highly strung during that tutorial. I was slightly going mad during it too, but yeah, no, I'm very pleased with that. I mean, obviously, I'd never ever wear this out, but you know, again, it's not for me; it's for Michelle or any of you beautiful ones out there. If you want to have fabulously glowing skin, what do you think? And this, has it dried yet? Yeah, it's dried now, guys. So can you see? Because Mica, because it's not bonded with, there's no silicones in this form, although it's a silicate mineral. It's not actually silicone, so it won't bond with the skin or give you that second skin effect, if you like, and it won't last ages like a silicone formula would. I could make a silicone one if you want me to. Why not? I've got loads of silicone in the form of cyclomethicone, guys. Severe case of verbal diarrhea. Anyway, so it's given my skin sort of a healthy shine. What do you think? Are we in Cyberman territory? I think we're in Cyberman territory, guys, aren't we? I'm really, really pleased with this formulation, guys. I mean, when I did it and it was in the bowl, it just looked gorgeous, and I knew then that we were on to win a good, gorgeous ones. We're on to win a beautiful one. So, cost-wise, my bag of Mica cost something like £2.99. So that's a bargain for starters. eBay, again, I'll link everything into the description. And my bag of hyaluronic acid, I think, was £4.99 for 10 grams. Again, you can use any weight hyaluronic acid, 200 kDa or 1000 kDa. I wouldn't use the ultra low molecular weight hyaluronic acid, guys, on its own without blending it in with a higher weight molecular weight HA or hyaluronic acid, because there is some research online which says that the smaller pieces of hyaluronic acid, what hyaluronic acid fragments as they're actually known, sorry for spitting, guys, fragments, as I say, there's some research online that says using those on their own can cause an inflammation response in the skin. So and the way to avoid that is to mix them with a higher weight a molecular weight hyaluronic acid. God, I'm waffling today, aren't I, guys? Joseph's just melting. And now my skin, no, it's not sweating. I'm not sweating at all now, guys. My forehead's always a little bit damp in the summer, but so I suppose for an evening out, or an event out or something like that, this would be superb. Again, as I say, you could always add less Mica or Mica into the equation. It's up to you guys, really. Play around with it, beautiful ones, until you come up with your unique composition, or your unique recipe, guys. And there's no rules in DIY skincare, guys. Nothing. Yep. So. And I also think that my pack of nicotinamide or niacinamide, or vitamin B3 as it's also known, it's known as niacinamide in supplements, and nicotinamide is the chemical name for the vitamin B3, basically. And this can boost collagen production. It also helps to break up dark spots on your face, has an anti-acne property. So it's a really good all-rounder, guys, is niacinamide or nicotinamide or vitamin B3 or whatever you want to call it, guys. And I think this costs something like £9.99 in those, how much size is it? 100 grams, it says it there, Joseph. Yep. So yeah, this is 100 grams, beautiful ones. And again, eBay. And there's in the Glowy Serum, guys, or whatever we're going to christen this this formula. I think, did I put half a teaspoon or a teaspoon? Can't remember, guys. Memory shot to pieces. Wild teenager, do you know what I mean? I'm joking, guys. I've always been a good boy. Yeah, just sling pieces of tissue paper around the flat, Joseph. Why not? It's my flat. So obviously, beautiful ones, the more you use something like Glowy Serum, the better your skin will look long term as well, because the niacinamide is obviously an anti-aging agent. What I'm trying to say there is that, well, basically, you know what I'm trying to say, don't you, gorgeous ones? Right, beautiful ones, that's it for today. Ooh, no, it's not it for today. Joseph's got to go and clean up a bit of a puddle on the floor. So beautiful ones, sadly, that's it for today. I thought it'd been quite a long time since we'd made any skincare together, and certainly ages since Michelle asked for the Glowy Serum. And again, apologies to Michelle for taking 10,000 years to actually create the bloody thing, but we've done it now, guys. And Michelle, would you let me know whether you think this is any good or not, or whether I've gone completely barking up the wrong tree as per usual? All right, guys, I'll say goodbye now, beautiful ones. It's been lovely spending today with you guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you didn't, then don't. But also, please consider subscribing so you're kept abreast of when I release new videos, which is pretty regularly, guys. There's so many formulations to do. And as I said before, I'm trying to give you layers of entertainment with the old makeup training, reviews of stuff I'm buying for that career, which I'm going to pursue very, very soon. Verbal diarrhea, better go, guys. Lots of love. Take care. Thanks for being with me today. Right, guys, you'll need a bag of mica powder, bag of hyaluronic acid powder, a little bottle of glycerine or a big bottle of glycerine, it's up to you, some niacinamide powder, and I'll link all of these into the description or description. 2 spoons, in fact I only use 1, I don't know why I've got 2 there, being very wasteful. Clean bowl, guys, to do the mixing in. Obligatory piece of tissue paper. A jug with about 100 ml of water. Again, we're going to use half of this, so 50 ml would do, guys. So here I'm making a stock solution of niacinamide, and I'm adding around half a teaspoon of niacinamide powder to 100 ml of water. Probably give us around a 1.25% solution of niacinamide. Give that a quick stir. And now we're going to make the paste, guys, and it's really important to go in with the powder first. If we went in with the glycerin first, it would get really clogged up and messy. And you know how anal Joseph is about mess. Don't do mess. So add half a teaspoon of hyaluronic acid powder to your clean bowl. And you can always add more or less, guys. If you want a thicker serum, add more. Thinner, add less. Here I'm going to add the Mica powder or Mica powder. Again, I'm going to add exactly the same amount of hyaluronic acid as I did. I'm getting all confused, guys. I'm going to add exactly the same amount of mica as I did hyaluronic acid, so around a half a teaspoon again. Sorry, guys, it's all going wrong. So now we're going to go in with the glycerin just to make the paste. There's another aeroplane flying over. Lovely, just what you want. And I'm going to add 1 to 3 teaspoons of glycerin, and I actually added 3 here. But if you want a less moisturising formula, add 1 teaspoon, guys. It's entirely up to you. Just stir those together. Just make sure all the pieces of powder are covered in the glycerin, guys. That's why I did use 3 teaspoons in the end, because there's quite a lot of powder in there, guys. I'm saying guys a lot today, aren't I, guys? So now I'm going to add 50 ml of the niacinamide stock solution we made before. And the hyaluronic acid will form the backbone of the serum, guys, and it gives us the thick consistency or thicker consistency. Nearly there, beautiful ones, not much longer, and then I'll let you go and get on with your day. This looks like liquid satin in the bowl, guys. It just looks gorgeous. Again, add preservative at this stage if you want to preserve the formula. Look at that, guys. It's just shimmering in the bowl, isn't it? Gorgeous. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a lovely day. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you all for the next tutorial. Lots of love.